we have Mr. Anshu Bagay, who is the Managing Director of Genes India and Genes Bangladesh. Genes, under his guidance, under his initiatives, Genes India has achieved a great, remarkable success. And on that note, I would like to invite Mr. Anshu Bagay to address the meeting.
Thank you so much. And good evening, my entire Genes family. It is wonderful to address you time after the wonderful month of July. I mean, hats off to each one of you. All of you did such a fantastic job, such a humongous effort, worked throughout the nights. I know how the customer service has been working with you, and I know fully how much of effort has gone into what all you have achieved this month. The rank ups in this month are amazing, absolutely wonderful. A huge applause to each one of you. Great, great, great job done. And your leaders, of course, have led you from the front. So, hats off to each one of you for all the efforts that you have put in. At this point, I would also like to mention that by now it's absolutely evidently clear that Genes has firmly established its business model in India. For the last almost 4 years, we have been doing our operations in India. Each year, all our audits have been coming out absolutely squeaky clean by every department of the government, by KPMG, by all auditors. So the company is fully and very well established, following all the guidelines issued by the government. All our products have been registered in India following the FSSAI guidelines. So this company is now here forever. And this was absolutely crystal clear by the performance of everyone in your team in July. Now, we have to build from here and not just be happy with what we have achieved so far. According to me, we have just scratched the surface. And for that, firstly, in the short term, you need to carry forward your success of July into August. So many new people have been recruited. Put them on the Ignite promotion. Make sure each one of them earns a bonus in August. Help them achieve their PGV. Help them to recruit more people. This is in the short term. In the long term, each one of you should now expand beyond Mizoram. Each one of you have become the kings and queens of Mizoram and have done a fantastic job. Start expanding beyond Mizoram. Recruit people from other states. The first step would be maybe to the other states of Northeast. And then there are so many people in Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore whom you know. Start expanding there. In all these cities, if you want to do any kind of recruiting event, please let us know. PC knows, Gideon, Masfanai, everyone knows. We are more than happy to help you in organizing an event and whatever assistance you need. And the last message from my side will be expand beyond reserve. Again, whenever we have a 2+2, we have fantastic, phenomenal performance because you have developed a great market for reserve in that part of the country. But if you want to again do a bigger business, you need to train your people, train your team to sell products other than reserve. Now, according to my experience, I can certainly say that along with reserve, products like Zen Complete, Met Omega will be very successful in India in the wellness range. These will be supported by Luminous in the skincare range. So use all these products. Then we have RVL. It should not just be a single product market that you develop. Train your team so that they sell this entire range of products. So as I wind up, huge congratulations to each one of you for what you have done in July. And make sure you build on this success in the short term, which is August, and then in the long term, some of the tips that I have given, if you make use of, I'm sure you will be even more successful. Thank you so much for inviting me for your call, and I hand over back to Rini.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able.
Thank you so much, sir, for the encouragement.
Genes, we